Occasionally, you may be presenting data in a table in Word and you wish to visualize the results of the data so that it shows a trend or pattern clearly. A chart is a fabulous way to do this. Word has the ability to present a chart just as functional as Excel, and you don't even have to leave Word to access it. There are a few differences in the process, of course, but the result is identical. So in this session, we will look at how to create a table in Word. Make sure you have task 28, creating a chart in Word option or document open. So you'll see here that we've got a table that we've set up, and it's showing the wages, consumable, production costs and sales. And we've got lots of figures in here, but they really don't show much of a trend or pattern of what I would really want to get across. So what I can do is show this in a chart. So how do I do that? The first thing I need to do is just select the information that I want to chart. So in this case here, I'm selecting all the information inside my table and I'm going to copy that. So I copy that there. Now the next part's really important, otherwise you'll end up having to undo some information. Click off your table and click where you want to put your chart. So in this case I want to go below. To put in this chart in here, I go up to my Insert tab up the top here. I select that, and over here I have a chart option, which is add a chart. So I go and click on that. Now in here I have a number of different types of charts that I could use. For example, I've got my column chart where it shows all the information that I want separately. I could put it in as a line chart which shows trends and patterns here. I could use a pie chart, a bar, an area chart, or a scatter chart. Now the Word has updated all of these chart options to put in a lot more to enable somebody to get just the right one for the information that they're wanting to chart. So we've got a map one, stock, surface, radar, a tree map, sunburst, histogram, a box whistle, waterfall chart, funnel, or a combo. Of course, a combo is a combination of a couple of the charts that you can choose. Now, this gives you a lot of options to do it. And of course, you really want to pick the one that's going to give you the result that you want best. Now, when you pick these ones, I'm actually going to pick a line graph for this one because I just want to show a trend with the information or data that I have here. Now, when I've picked this, I have some more options across the top here, and it will display my information a little bit differently. So I'm going to actually choose this one here that shows the dots at the different marks as such here. So once I've done that and chosen those, I'm now going to go OK. Now what happens here is I get a chart, and it's just saying category 1, 2, 3, which is not the information that I want. But I also get pop up automatically a small section of Excel in here, which I can now create this table in here and bring across the information. We'll update it as we go. So that's not my information. So we copied our information here before. We're going to paste that in here. So I'm going to just click into the cell A1 and I'm going to paste that in here. So if I right click and go into my paste options, I can keep my source formatting or I can match the destination formatting here. So I'm going to just go and keep my source document 1 and click on that. You'll notice now that my information has come across. But I've also got this one here down here, category 4, which is not my information here. I can get rid of that two ways. I have this little option down here, this down the bottom corner here. If I just click and drag that up to just cover what I want, it won't include this information. It's still there, okay, but it won't include that information in my chart. I only have the 4 that I've got. Or I can just put that one back there, and I can actually get rid of, hang on, let me just undo what I just did there. I'm going to undo and get rid of this one, so I can delete this one. So if I just go out here and click on the 5, right click and just go delete, it will get rid of that one. So now I've got my information here that I'm wanting. So I can now close my chart. I've finished with that one there, and I'm now going back into here. So I've now got a chart that I can actually come in here and give a title here. So this could be my operating costs. What do we got? Operating costs for my title, and I can go in and I've got different options to be able to format that. Now we're going to look at the different formatting instructional options in our next video, but this is a way of bringing across and creating a table a chart in Word very simply without leaving our Word document.